Hello guys, Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Let me introduce myself first. My name is Andre Revalino Saputra with student ID 220194142. Now I would like to explain to you guys about the line chart. And what is the line chart? Line chart is a graph. It displays data points connected by lines. The x-axis represents time, such as days or years. The y-axis measures the value, like sales or temperature. Each point shows a specific value at a time. Then there are three functions about the line chart. The first one is a time-based data. It is ideal for showing changes over time. The second one is value measurement. It is quantifies data points on the y-axis. The last is the trend identifications. It is lines connect points revealing patterns. And in the next slide, we talk about the key components of the line chart. Line charts have essential components clearly labeled x and y axis display units. Data points mark measurement. Lines connect data points showing trends. The title summarizes the chart. Legend identify multiple lines. The first one is axis. Axis is labeled X and Y axis with units. And the second one is data points. It is measurement at specific times. The last is lines connect data points. And in this slide, we will see the example of the line chart. And the topic is sales trend over the years. This chart shows monthly sales. The x-axis lists months January to December. The y-axis shows sales in USD. The line increase from January to April, peaks in May. Then it decreases slightly June to August, increasing again September to December. The trend shows the growth. The first one is seasonal peaks. The sales spike during May. The second one is overall growth. It is increasing trends throughout the year. The last is consistent increase. To the September to December demonstrates sales momentum. And this is the second example of line chart. The topic is comparing multiple data sets. This chart compares three product lines. The x-axis represents month. The y-axis represents sales. Three lines represent product line using colors. Software shows steady growth. Hardware has spikes. Services are consistent. The first one is the software. It is steady, consistent growth. The second one is hardware. It is variable sales with spikes and dips. The last is services. It is consistent and stable sales. And in this slide, when to use a line chart. Line charts are used for various reasons. They track trends and compare data. They identify patterns and forecast future trends. Examples include stock prices, traffic, or temperature. There are four things when we use the line chart. The first one is tracking trends. It is show changes over time. The second is making comparisons. It is compare multiple data sets. The third is identifying patterns. It is spot seasonal variations. The last is forecasting. It is extrapolate featured trends. And in this slide, we see that when we see the best practices for the line chart, and the use clear labels and a chart title, limit lines, use the consistent scales, use the contrasting colors, ensure the chart is accessible. Using these practices can help you create effective line chart. There are three best practices for the line chart. The first one is clear labels. It is descriptive axis labels and titles. The second one is avoid clutter. It is limit number of lines. The third is consistent scales. It is easy comparisons. And for the last explanation, we come to the conclusion. The line charts show trends effectively, understand components and practices, apply them to real-world data storytelling, start creating grid line charts. Visualizing data over time will help you gain insights. And for the summary, the recap, the key point discussed about the line charts, including their definition, component advantages, limitation, and best practices. The last is final thought. Emphasize the importance of effective data visualization in making informed decisions and communicating insights clearly. And that's all about my explanation about the line chart. Thank you very much for you guys for your attention. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.